looking at the copy swap function. We get a phone call from the Allerton Road surgery, and they're asking us to pick up a parcel from the chemist in Dunsmuir Road and to bring it to them. So instead of having to now type the drop-off address Allerton Road surgery, we can use the copy swap function. By pressing this button, you will now note the drop-off address has gone here, Allerton Road surgery, and we can now go in here and say, okay, we would like to pick up from the Dunsmuir pharmacy and take it to Allerton Road surgery. We can press this again and again, and all it does is a toggle between the two. This is sometimes very useful when you start writing a job in and then you realize, oh, actually the lady wanted it the other way around. So instead of having to type it again, it's all there. We also can use it for return bookings. For example, the lady at 22 Clifton Gardens would like to go to Brent Cross, to Phoenix in Brent Cross. Okay, her name is Mrs. Smith, and she would like the car at 12 o'clock today. That's all booked. We'll put here some mobile number in and make sure that's all ready. Now, she would like to be picked up at 3 o'clock this afternoon. What we would do is as follows. We save the details first of all. That is now saved. And now we use the F5 function button a little differently. We can now say make a return trip, press OK. It's now returned pickup address Phoenix, drop-off address is Clifton Gardens, and it automatically comes to the time because it assumes the time will be a different time. I can put in now 3 p.m. The job is ready to go out. Okay, let's do this again. We get a phone call through from Family Rottenberg at 22A Denver Road. They want to go to Clissold, Bath, so we've got B for Bath, Clissold. And they would like to be picked up in 10 minutes. So I can do +10. And that job is ready now. Now, if they want to be picked up again at a later stage, we can't just say copy swap. What the copy swap does is it just changes pickup address to drop off, but hasn't actually sent the job off yet. So, what we need to do first is save the details. Once the details are saved, I can then go in here and I can say, make a return trip, use that, OK, and specify 2300 this evening, and I'm going to send this off. You also may have noticed that there is another way to do it here as well. If you just clear this again, and we put the same job in again here, we save the job. Let's do that for later. Let's say 2 p.m. and this one is also going to Clissold. And we save the job, and then we are going to do copy swap again. I can now do copy and edit. In other words, I want to make a copy of the exactly same job again, but they may say to me, I need a further car at 4 o'clock, or I need 2 cars, one for now, which is a normal car, and I need a 7-seater as well. So the copy and edit means the same job that you've just sent off, it makes another copy of it, you can edit it, and you can then send the job off again.